Hello guys, yes, go back to low carb and I give you a hack. So kapag nagugutom na kayo and gusto nyo na kumain, try to do first any kind of low carb vegetable. Any kind, even one cucumber, one tomato, bago ka kumain ng meal mo. And magsimula ka sa high protein, yung ulam, hanggang mabusog ka, if you can, unlimited kasi magsisignal naman siya sa katawan mo na busog ka na. If bitin ka pa, gusto mo kumain ng carbs, yung like rice, okay, kumain ka, and magmamanifest naman yun sa'yo na busog ka na. And then, unti-unti mong tanggalin yung rice or yung mga starchy food like bread, pasta, rice. Kasi doon po talaga nag-spike yung sugar natin. Kaya tayo nagki-craving, na mabilis yung aging natin, yung wrinkles, lost hair, pimples. Kasi po, ang protein is amino acid. They have glutamine, and the glutamine is an anti-inflammation. And the best anti-inflammation is beef po. So, kain po tayo once a week. And ang mga ancient tradition natin noong unang panahon, they are carnivore. They are eating high protein and high fat. So, try that one so that manifest sa inyong katawan. And check also your eating and your routine. If nag-lose weight kayo 1 kilo per week, it means your body are ketones. If not, you eating high carbs kasi naka-storage mode pa yung katawan nyo. Then, listen to your body. So, stay slow carb.